In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer Wix site to Wix Studio. To get started, open Wix and log into your account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account that contains the website you want to transfer. This is important, especially if you manage more than one site or work across multiple dashboards. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your Wix workspace. From there, go to your dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage your sites, settings, and account tools. If you have several websites in your account, take a moment to find the exact one you want to move into Wix Studio. It is a good idea to double-check the site name before continuing so you do not accidentally choose the wrong project. When you have found the correct site, look for the Site Actions menu. This is usually shown as the three-dot menu next to the site. Click that menu to open the available options related to that specific website. This menu gives you access to several management actions, including the option you need for this process. In the list of options, select Transfer Site. Once you click it, Wix will begin guiding you through the transfer process. At this stage, pay close attention to the information shown on screen. The platform may display details about what the transfer involves, along with anything you should review before moving forward. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the migration. These prompts are designed to walk you through the process step by step, so just read each screen carefully and confirm the required actions as you go. In some cases, you may be asked to review transfer details or verify that you want to continue. Take your time here so everything is completed correctly. As a helpful tip, do not rush through the prompts. Make sure you understand each confirmation before selecting the next option. This can help avoid mistakes and make the transfer process smoother. If Wix provides any notices during the migration, read them fully before proceeding. Once the prompts are complete, your site transfer to Wix Studio will be finished. After that, you can continue managing the site from its new environment and move on with any design or workspace updates you plan to make. That covers everything you need to know.